transfer case out of a Ford truck. Four-wheelers, crotch rockets, lowrider bicycle. That is dope. The M&M man. We are here at Dirt City Cycles, guys, in Wallace, North Carolina. Right on Main Norwood Street, which I guess the main drag, aka the 4 lanes, and also signs and design, creative signs and designs. So for all your signs, shirts, banners, hats, stickers, logos, if you could put a name on it, they do it. And for anything, ATV, crotch rocket, dirt bike, race bike. And guys, guess what the shop rate is here? $50 an hour. Oh yeah. Gentlemen, have a happy holidays. Thank you so much. Yes, I appreciate it. Yes, sir. They don't play, gentlemen.
Yeah, we're getting ready to go to West Virginia.
Oh.
That's what this thing's all about.
Nice. Oh, sweet. Hell yeah. The awning. Can I do a quick walkthrough? Oh man, this is a super special treat, guys. Check this out. Holy shit, man, this is dope. Nice.
And we're getting ready to head up to West Virginia tomorrow after we eat some turkey.
Oh yeah. God, you're so lucky. We're gonna go to Cape Fear Saturday.
Oh man, I can't. I've been there a handful of times, but
oh, we love
I
it.
can't wait to go. This will be my first time.
We love it.
As you see, it ain't finished yet, but
no, but it's still dope, man. I love it.
This will be the second major trip we've taken it on.
Hell yeah. So how's the bus do gas mileage?
9 miles to the gallon.
Right on.
But believe it or not, man, a trip to the mountains and back would be about $300, but with 7 head going and splitting the fuel,
right? Oh hell yeah! So you guys gonna go riding some high-speed trail? Yeah. Some haul ass. We hadn't been up there yet.
This will be our first time.
Oh, you'll see. All my shits.
Well, my one buddy there, he's been quite a few times, but the rest of us.
Hell yeah, man. Everybody says if I go, I'm gonna quit mudding, and that's all my shit is hardcore mudding. All my bikes are built for that. Yeah, we're gonna have to check it out.
Take it easy,
yes, sir. We'll have to get up and go to Cape Fear sometime.
All right.
All right, buddy. This is the shop truck, guys. Check that shit out. So, guys, this pretty much sits out front of the shop. This is the shop, and that's their bus, and that is super cool. So, this is the 4 lanes in Wallace. I got my shake box. It's dirty. Got the old grizzle nuts loaded up. Gave this to my son-in-law, Mike. 910 Cast and Blast. Y'all get over there, like and subscribe. Maybe he'll put up videos again. So picked it up. Needs CDI box. CDI box at the house. Had to have everything checked out. But guys, again, $50 an hour. Comes with a warranty. He said anywhere from 2 days to a week to breakdown diagnosis, and then it's order parts. As long as you bring a parts deposit, rock and roll. All right, guys, Dirt City Cycles. Don't forget, check them out. Give them a holler. $50 an hour. You cannot beat it. And a super cool shop truck. Y'all stay tuned.